LG Energy Solution Arizona Battery Manufacturing Complex hiring soon. LG Energy Solution (LGES) plans to start hiring workers for the Arizona Battery Manufacturing Complex by the end of 2024. This transformative investment will have a lasting impact not only in Arizona but across the country, and moves us one step closer toward our clean energy goals, said Governor Katie Hobbs. These are the jobs of the future, and the state of Arizona is committed to being an active partner in ensuring Arizonans have the skills to fill these jobs. On April 3, during a stakeholder meeting at Combs High School in Santan Valley, LG Energy Solution provided an update on its $5.5 billion battery manufacturing complex. LGES shared that it is on track to be completed in 2 years. Tesla 4680 battery production by LG starting later this year. LGES is building 2 manufacturing facilities in Arizona. The first facility, called the LG Energy Solution Arizona, will produce standalone 46 series cylindrical batteries in North America. While the Arizona battery plant is being built, LGES aims to start the first mass production of 46 series batteries in South Korea at its Ochang plant. The longtime Tesla partner plans to start producing 46 series battery cells in South Korea by the second half of the year. The Arizona battery facility is expected to continue its momentum in 46 series production and reinforce the manufacturing capability of the Chong plant. Meanwhile, the second facility will be an energy storage system S plant. LGES plans to produce lithium iron phosphate LFP pouch-type batteries for EES in Arizona. In September 2023, the South Korean company launched its residential S product, named Prime, in the United States market. Prime is a battery system with an inverter, enabling the use of two 10H or 16H battery modules for a total capacity of 19.2 or 32 kilowatt-hours. By expanding in the United States, LGES aims to triple global revenues with S products. Source: reposted and summarized from Maria Merano at teslarati.